Hello my friends, it's Angie World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you amazing recipe to close and shrink large open pores and to get rid of this not looking good on your skin, and it's a very effective remedy that will get you an amazing results from first use. Just in 2 minutes you will get rid of all the unwanted large open pores, my friends, and with very simple ingredients. The first thing we will need to prepare the remedy is 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour, then we'll need to add 2 teaspoons of milk, then we'll need to add half teaspoon of toothpaste, then we'll need 1 lemon, and we need to add half lemon juice, then we'll need to add 1 teaspoon of natural raw honey, then we need to add a little pinch of baking soda and mix all the ingredients very well. Once we get this cream foam paste, our magical remedy is ready. Now apply a generous amount on your skin like so. Apply it on your face and leave it for 45 minutes to 1 hour or until it dries out completely. This magical remedy, guys, removes the large open pores and will get you an clogged skin that doesn't have any kind of large open pores. It will disappear naturally, guys. This magical remedy you need to use 3 times a week to get rid permanently of large open pores, and you will notice results from first use. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video a big like. I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.